Stuck with the Windows Portable Devices module DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. While preparing the manual steps for Windows Portable Devices module, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Windows Portable Devices module. This is the Windows Portable Devices Wpd library. It manages the low-level MTP and PTP protocols required for the OS to communicate with smartphones, digital cameras, and external media players. If missing, Windows will detect a device is plugged in, but will be unable to mount it in File Explorer to view or transfer photos and files. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This is a Windows system integrity error involving a core library. I suggest using the system file checker by running sfc/scan now in an administrator command prompt to let the system automatically heal files like gpk.csp library DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Windows Portable Devices module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Safety first. Never attempt to replace gpk.csp library DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for Windows Portable Devices module. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Windows Portable Devices module remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.